Now, I might be a bit controversial here, especially for some hardcore Bitcoin fanatics. But when we're looking at Bitcoin as an investment opportunity, we need to actually divert our thinking. Let me explain for you. As we know, Bitcoin is used as a currency. You can pay bills with Bitcoin, buy Starbucks with Bitcoin, buy a plane ticket with Bitcoin, you can check into a hotel with Bitcoin. I mean, the list literally does go on and on and on. You can practically buy anything with Bitcoin. I'm actually struggling to think of something you can't buy with Bitcoin, because a lot of new services have come along which help make it possible to buy literally anything with your Bitcoins. So, as you can clearly see, Bitcoin is used as a currency in day-to-day life. But, and this is a big but, when it comes to investing, we need to look at it as an asset. So for this course, and for your time investing in Bitcoin, look at it as, let's say, property, perhaps more like gold. That's the way I see Bitcoin in investing terms. Bitcoin is the modern day gold. You need to remember that as we work through this course. Bitcoin equals modern day gold. It's the gold of the digital age. Look at it as an asset. So that's the approach I want you to take. And I know a lot of people will think, hang on, but Bitcoin is a currency, and you'd be right. But when we want to profit from the fluctuating rates of Bitcoin, we need to look at it as an asset, so like gold. Now, one time, a long time ago, gold was a currency, so you could casually walk into a business and give some gold in exchange for a product or a service. Now, the same is true with Bitcoin, but gold evolved to becoming a store of wealth, and that is where I personally see Bitcoin going. The modern day gold. So that's how we're going to be investing in the cryptocurrency, and that's how we're going to be thinking of Bitcoin going forwards in this course, the modern day gold.